Imagine rolling down the open highway in a machine that feels less like a truck and more like a luxury penthouse on wheels. Today on RV Tour Hub, we're stepping inside the bold, futuristic 2026 Western Star 5700XE RV Motorhome, a build that completely redefines power, comfort, and long-haul living. This is not just an RV, this is a statement for people who want the road to feel like home. As we step inside, the first thing you notice is how solid and premium everything feels. Western Star is known for toughness, but here that strength is wrapped in modern luxury. The interior layout is wide, well-lit, and designed for serious travelers who live on the road, not just vacation on it. Moving into the kitchen, this is where function meets elegance. You get a full residential-style setup with sleek countertops, high-end cabinetry, and smart storage everywhere you look. The stove and oven are perfectly placed for easy cooking, while the large refrigerator is built to handle long journeys without compromise. Soft LED lighting gives the kitchen a warm, inviting vibe, making it just as enjoyable for a quick coffee as it is for a full home-cooked meal after a long drive. Next, we head into the bathroom, and this is where the 5700XE truly surprises. It feels spacious, clean, and thoughtfully designed. A full-size shower with premium fittings, a modern sink, and a high-quality toilet make this bathroom feel closer to a hotel suite than an RV. Ventilation and lighting are spot on, ensuring comfort no matter where you're parked. Now let's check out the bedroom, your private escape on wheels. The bed is large, comfortable, and built for real rest after long hours on the road. Surrounding storage keeps everything organized, while the quiet, insulated design helps block out outside noise. This is a bedroom designed for recovery, relaxation, and long-term living, not just overnight stays. Finally, we step into the living area, the heart of this motorhome. Plush seating, a smart entertainment setup, and an open layout make it perfect for relaxing, working, or hosting fellow travelers. Whether you're watching a movie, planning your next route, or just enjoying the view through large windows, this space adapts to your lifestyle. The 2026 Western Star 5700XE RV Motorhome is where raw trucking power meets refined RV luxury. If you believe the journey should feel just as good as the destination, this beast delivers. Stay tuned to RV Tour Hub for more elite motorhome tours, and don't forget, the road is calling.